Now, politics has erupted over the Pune Porsche crash. The Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole has now said that 3 people were in the car and claims that the son of an MLA was also involved in this accident. Also, that the MLA called the doctor. Remember, there has been this cover-up alleged by the doctors who switched the blood samples. Now, the Maharashtra Congress chief says the MLA was involved in destroying proof. Remember, the blood sample change involved protecting the 17-year-old from the test results showing that he had alcohol in his bloodstream. Let's just listen into what Nana Patole had to say. All right, we will go across to Radhika now for more. And Radhika, Nana Patole, they're alleging a political cover-up, a larger conspiracy in this entire issue of, covering up the crime of the 17-year-old, and also alleging that an MLA's son was in the car, and they're now demanding a CBI probe.
That's right. Congress leader Nana Patole has hit out at Maharashtra government over the alleged nexus between the police as well as the rich and influential builder group within Pune and several other parts of Maharashtra. He says that there is close nexus, close association of builders, rich influential people in Maharashtra with not just politicians but also police and doctors, which is why there is an attempt to cover up, attempt that has been made by people from different circles to make a cover-up as far as this incident is concerned. Now, Nana Patole there obviously seeking resignation of Chief Minister as well as Deputy Chief Minister. In fact, he says that there has to be a CBI probe as far as this case is concerned, and that there is a lot of answers to be given by those in power in Maharashtra. Of course, he's also gone on to talk about a certain MLA's son who was also involved in the incident, and a certain MLA, without naming anybody, who was in fact trying to influence the outcome of the case, who was in touch with the police, who was in touch with the health authorities in Pune, all that with the knowledge of people in power. So yes, Congress there hitting out, strong remarks being made by Nana Patole against Maharashtra government as far as this case is concerned, and also alleging that multiple attempts are being made to shield the minor accused in this case, and all this happening as a result of money, power and influence of the rich and the famous. Also going on to talk about the drug menace, which is also being done in collusion with those in power, speaking about pub culture and the frequency of those rich and powerful who've been
Radhika, just stay on with us. Stay on with us. We're now joined by Atul Londe Patil.
And nothing being done as far as these
Radhika,
people
just
are
stay
concerned.
on with us. We're joined now by Atul Londe Patil, General Secretary, Chief Spokesperson, Maharashtra Congress, and from the BJP, Asif Bhamla joining us. First, Mr. Patil, these very serious allegations are now being made. You're alleging a larger cover-up and that the son of an MLA was in the car at the time of the accident?
Yes, we came to know that one of the MLA's son was also involved with the person who has committed this accident. And there are series of accidents happened in Maharashtra. In Nagpur, Ritika Malu, she has also committed the same incident and she got bail within 10 hours. The same thing happened in Jalgaon also, and it is repeated in Pune. Whole administration is hand in glove with the current government. There are claims that one of the minister and one of the MLA has recommended Suresh Taure, who has taken the blood sample, to make him a superintendent of Sassoon Hospital. Right from Sassoon Hospital to corporation, Pune Municipal Corporation to Excise Department, everybody is involved in this incident. It was only when this case went to the higher authorities like Commissioner of Police, then everything started revealing. Now it's very serious when minister, guardian minister and MLA, his son, everybody is involved and cover-up is continuously going on. So we want some neutral assessment should be done, some neutral investigation should be done, and that is why Nana Patole ji, the president of Maharashtra Congress, has asked for investigation by CBI. We don't believe this government anymore.
Asif Bhamla, very serious allegations. This is such a tragic case in which 2 young people were killed, and now, you know, this larger political controversy is erupting. But yes, the Congress demanding a CBI probe and alleging that an MLA's son was also involved.
If the legitimate CBI probe is required, it will be definitely provided with. The state government doesn't want to wash off its hand like the way the MV had done during cases like Sushant Singh Rajput and others. Okay, we are the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and the current Home Minister has visited the spot and the site, and he's taken stock of the situation, and he's even assured that no one will be spared. Now, you see, the problem with the opposition is that they have to go gaga over any issue whatsoever. I think this situation has happened. A hit and run incident has happened. We understand the seriousness of the people who have died, of the families who have lost their loved ones, and we also certainly don't endorse what has been happened by the people who are there from the family, who are involved in this hit and run case. But that doesn't mean that you just keep pinpointing at the hospital, the staff, the peons, and everybody के ये आपने एक assumption के आधार पे कुछ भी बोलना है just because you have to say something and you got to remain in the opposition. But here you are also pinpointing people who are people with a repute and a reputation. But then again, that's what the Congress has been doing over the past. And in spite of the fact that...
But Mr. Asif Bhamla, it is known that that doctors were allegedly bribed in this entire matter, and they were asked to, fudge the blood report to show that the teenager did not have blood in his, did not have alcohol in his bloodstream. So that is something that, has been, that has emerged in this entire case. That's very shameful.
You see, if the doctors have done some sort of a manipulation, or if there's any wrongdoing from the doctors, let me tell you very strongly and staunchly that none of the doctors will be spared. Their licenses also will be cancelled and debarred to ensure that they will not be even in a position to, practice in years to come. But for their wrongdoing, you don't expect a government to blame a government. The government tells them that you have done this, you have done that. Government को इतना समय किसी को गलत मशवरा करने के लिए नहीं, गलत government का काम is what the government is doing.
All right, so Mr. Patil, Asif Bhamla, they're saying that you're just making allegations right now. Let the entire matter be investigated thoroughly, and instead of making, these allegations, making it into a political issue right now, let the police do its job.
They're not
please tell me. Asif, she's asking me.
Right, Mr. Bhamla, a moment, let Mr. Patil answer. Yes, go ahead.
See, isn't it a truth that blood samples has been changed, and at the whose BS the blood samples were changed? Why one of the MLA of Ajit Pawar group went to see in the local police station of Koregaon Park? Why? Who has given the letter to the government to appoint Taure, who has changed the blood sample to make him a superintendent? All these people are entangled, and who has demolished 36 pubs? Those were run illegally. The whole administration is involved, and without the connivance of the political leadership, how it is possible?
All right, Mr. Bhamla, your comments, how do you defend an MLA visiting the police station at night, as is being alleged, as has been reported as well, an MLA belonging to the Ajit Pawar camp?
Firstly, this is from the MLA, from the Ajit Pawar faction has visited. So you have to might as well ask the question with the Ajit Pawar, with the NCP spokesperson. A. B. If an MLA visits,
but Mr. Pawar is the Deputy Chief Minister.
आप किसी conclusion पे jump करें कि भाई वो किसी malified intention से गया है. अरे भाई MLA होगा, उनके constituency से होगा, या उनका कोई connectivity होगा. अगर कोई व्यक्ति अगर गलत किया तो वो कोर्ट ने और पुलिस से देखना है. बट यदि एमएलए के व्यक्तिगत संबंध है तो यू कैन स्टॉप एन एमएलए टू विजिट anybody who is known to him personally in public life. 10 people, the good, the bad, the ugly. So you can't just refrain ऐसे नहीं. हमने वो गुनहगार, आज उनसे गुनाह हो गया जानकर अनजानकर, वो साइबर कानून अपनी प्रक्रिया करेगा, उनको सजा मिलेगी. बट यदि कोई एमएलए किसी को व्यक्तिगत रूप से जब तो ही कैन ऑलवेज and on the police. And in the
okay,
case,
we'll have to leave it there. Thank you so
they
much, Mr. Bhamla and Mr. Patil for joining us, on the program. So very serious allegations they're being made by the Congress party, claiming that an MLA's son is being protected and alleging this larger, political cover-up. But let's go back to Radhika now for more on this story. And Radhika, on one hand, is this allegation by the Congress. They're demanding a CBI probe, but also more revelations regarding, the role of the doctors in this case and, how the blood reports were manipulated. Tell us more about that.
That's right. The case is certainly getting murkier with multiple arrests taking place. It's not just the family members, the minor accused who are getting arrested, but several who were in fact part of the investigations, part of the forensics, who are also under the radar. Now these three arrests in fact from Sassoon Hospital is very significant. The fact that the doctors, including the head of the forensic department, arrested because they manipulated the blood sample reports in order to show that this minor accused was not drunk is very, very serious. Hefty bribe was paid is something that we are getting to know. There was some amount of 3 lakh which was initially transferred to the head of the forensic department through this third individual who worked as a medical staffer there. So all three arrested, including the 2 doctors and the medical staffer, for manipulation of blood samples. In fact, there were 2 tests done. One test in which there was clear manipulation. The original blood sample was discarded, and then it was replaced with the blood sample of somebody who had not consumed alcohol. And then when the police grew suspicious, there was another blood test done which showed that there was indeed blood alcohol content in the blood, which is what led them to take another DNA sampling of these 2 tests, and therefore police investigating and finding out, discovering that there was in fact a tampering of evidence that took place. So clear nexus between the doctors and the wealthy family, something we could see. The family, of course, going to every extent, doing everything possible to sort of manipulate the system and influence the outcome of the case. Today it is the arrest of the 2 to 3 doctors. Now remains to be seen who else within the government, within multiple departments, have been helping the minor accused and his family members.